Hi there everyone, welcome to Trendy Styles Fashion TV. It's all about ASOEBI styles, Ankara styles, African print styles. I hope at the end of the video you decide to subscribe to this channel as we upload videos every day. Thank you. Hello dear lovely ladies, hello dear lovely women, hello dear lovely everyone. Thank you so very much for joining us again on this channel. Yes, it's Trendy Styles Fashion TV, a channel dedicated to all things fashion, or for all things fashion. So right now you're watching African print dresses. Yes, and when we talk about African print, we mean fabrics or materials in Accra, in Baton Rouge, in Adere, and in Premium Gizna, in lace fabrics, and so many other fabrics. Yes, it's all about African print dresses. Yes, and this right here is showcasing Ankara Slit gown styles for ladies. Yes, which is most of the unique trends right now. Yes, it's a very trendy look, both for wedding or engagement parties. You find a lot of guests having a slit on their attire as part of the design or style. Yes, and these styles are most sassy and hot styles you can find anywhere. Yes, Ankara African print gown styles right here for you to enjoy and get ideas for. And these styles can actually be worn for a casual event. Say you're going out with a friend, or it can pass off as an outfit for a picnic, outing, or meeting with a loved one. Most of them are actually very relevant and suitable for quite an informal affair. Yes, so this one right here is also very nice and actually can be worn to a wedding event. Yes, this is also very lovely. It's a multi-purpose look right here, I must say. It's also for the bold women and ladies out there who love to try out new things. Again, these are lovely African print dresses. You can get ideas and inspiration from as you watch. In case you're yet to subscribe to our channel, do right to do so before clicking off, and help us to grow by watching the video till the end. Go right ahead and leave us a like, as it will help us grow within the channel. It does a whole lot of good. You're leaving us a like, it does a whole lot of good for this channel, more than you will understand or know. Yes, it helps us to move ahead within our content and creation environment, especially if you're a YouTuber. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, so right now again, I hope you will go right ahead and subscribe if this is the first time you're watching us. Yes, it's Trendy Styles Fashion TV, a channel dedicated to everything, and I mean everything fashion, especially within the African continent or context. Yes, be sure to leave us a like, go right ahead and leave us a comment and tell us what you want us to know. Yes, if you've tried any styles right here, tell us how it turned out for you. And of course, go right ahead and press the notification bell. Yes, don't forget the notification bell after subscribing, because this notification bell will help us get to you faster. That is, whenever we upload a new video, which we do every single day, you'll be the first to get notified of a new incoming video from our channel. Yes, do well to watch the video till the end. Yes, so that you don't miss a thing. Go right ahead and share this video with your loved ones, so that someone out there will also benefit from watching this video. Till next time, you keep it safe out there.